Imagine a world where you not only use AI but also create it. That's what we're talking about today, the potential that lies ahead. So let's break it down into simple terms. You see, AI is not just about asking Siri to play your favorite song or having Netflix recommend a movie. It's about being the wizard behind the AI curtain, making it do amazing things. Picture this. In the tech landscape, AI is like a treasure chest waiting to be opened. And what's inside the treasure chest? Let's explore. Right now, the big kahuna in the AI world is something called supervised learning. It's where companies like Google rake in over $100 billion a year. That's mind-blowing, right? But here's the thing. There are millions of developers out there, just like you, working on supervised learning application. It's already super valuable, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. Now here's the exciting part. Generative AI is like the new kid on the block. Smaller for now, but oh so promising. In the next 3 years, it's going to be more than double in size. Why? Well, there's a ton of developer interest. Loads of venture capital investment and big corporations are jumping onto the bandwagon. In a short 3 years, it's going to be massive. But wait, there's more. This is just the beginning. If things keep growing at this rate, in 6 years, it's going to be even bigger. That's like watching a tiny seed grow into a towering oak tree in fast forward. Now, see that green and orange shaded region in the horizon. That's where the opportunity lies. For startups to rise and shine, or for established companies to grab a piece of the pie. The future is wide open for those who want to create and capture value in the world of AI. Now, let's dive into the concept of general purpose technology. Now, what exactly does that mean? Well, it refers to technologies that have a wide range of applications. And in our context, we're talking about the realm of artificial intelligence. So when we discuss supervised learning, we're essentially talking about a field that has been evolving over the past decades, and it's not stopping anytime soon. The key focus has been to identify and implement practical use cases for this technology. Think of it as uncovering the countless possibilities this tool can offer. But here's the exciting part. Generative AI is entering the stage, opening up new horizons and expanding our AI toolkit. It's like adding a whole new set of tools to our toolbox, allowing us to do even more incredible things with AI. However, there's a little catch we need to be aware of. Along the way, there may be short-lived trends or fads. Take for instance, the Lensa app, which allows users to transform their photos into cool astronaut or scientist versions of themselves. It gained massive popularity and generated significant revenue. But then, just like that, it faded away. Why? Because it was built on top of someone else's powerful APIs. And while it was a neat idea, it lacked the depth and versatility of true general-purpose technology. Now, let's take a trip down memory lane to the days when Steve Jobs introduced the iPhone. Shortly after, someone came up with an app that allowed you to transform your phone into a flashlight for just $199. Sounds like a great idea, doesn't it? But here's the kicker. It wasn't a long-term solution. Why, you ask? Because it was easily copied, undervalued, and eventually integrated into iOS. Fast forward to today. We're living in a world dominated by iOS, iPhones, and a whole array of groundbreaking applications like Uber, Airbnb, and Tinder. These are the real game changers, the ones that have carved their place in the tech world for the long haul. They provide lasting value, and most importantly, they're defensible. Now, with the rise of generative AI and new AI tools, the real excitement lies in the possibility of creating those deep, complex applications that can generate long-term value. These are the ones that can withstand the test of time and evolving technology. So let's talk trends. Trend number 1. AI is a general-purpose technology. What does that mean? Well, it means AI has the potential to serve a wide range of purposes, and the real challenge ahead is to discover those diverse use cases and build upon them. Now here's come trend number 2. Why isn't AI more widely adopted across various industries? We've been talking about AI for what feels like ages, right? But if you look closely, much of the AI value is still concentrated in consumer software on the internet. Beyond tech and consumer software, AI adoption is in its infancy. Why is that? Here's the scoop. If you were to categorize all current and potential AI projects by their value, you'd notice a pattern. The big bucks, the multi-million-dollar projects are on the left side of the curve. Think advertising, web search, and e-commerce product recommendations. Giants like Amazon, they cracked the code years ago, figuring out how to leverage AI to serve relevant ads to billions of users and rake in massive financial gains. Now in the world of software and technology, we often hear about the giants like Facebook and Google with their billion-user platforms. But what happens when we step outside the world of consumer software and venture into other industries? Well, that's where things get really exciting. Imagine this. You're working with a pizza maker. Yes, you heard it right. A pizza maker. They're taking pictures of the pizzas they create, not for Instagram, but to ensure that the cheese is perfectly spread evenly. Now you might wonder why anyone would invest in a $5 million project for something as simple as pizza. It's because the old recipe of hiring a massive team of engineers just doesn't add up for such a project. Here's another example. Think about an agriculture company. Together, they figured out that by using cameras to measure the height of wheat, they could optimize the harvesting process. You see, wheat often bends due to wind or rain, but by chopping it off at just the right height, they could increase the yield for farmers and be more environmentally friendly. Again, it's a $5 million project, and the traditional approach of assembling a large group of skilled engineers doesn't make sense here either. And it doesn't stop there. The possibilities are endless. Materials grading, cloth grading, sheet metal grading. Countless projects like these offer tremendous value, while there are a handful of multi-billion-dollar projects in the consumer software world. As we move towards the long tail of industries, we discover these hidden gems waiting to be explored. Moving on, we're diving into some exciting trends that are reshaping the landscape of AI. You see, in various industries, there's a long tail of projects worth millions of dollars, but they've been notoriously challenging to execute. Why? Well, the hefty price tag of customization has been a major roadblock. But hold on to your hats, because there's a game changer on the horizon. The AI community has been hard at work crafting better tools that are poised to revolutionize how we handle these projects. Imagine a world where customization becomes a breeze. So what's the buzz? Low-code and no-code tools are stealing the spotlight. These nifty tools put the power of customization right in the hands of users. No more fretting about specific details like pizza pictures. We're talking about tools that empower the IT wizards at your friendly neighborhood pizza factory to train AI systems using their very own pizza snapshots. And guess what? These snapshots are just hanging around on the internet for Google or Bing to snatch up. Nope, we're talking about the kind of pics that the only pizza factory has. In a nutshell, we're ushering in a new era of AI technology that allows pizza parlors and countless other businesses to build, deploy, and maintain their very own custom AI systems. But how does it all work? Well, here's where the magic happens. Technology. We're talking about text prompts, visual prompts, and large language models, all working together like a well-oiled machine. Plus, there's something called data-centric AI in the mix. Instead of asking pizza factories to write endless lines of code, which can be a real headache, we're simply asking for their data. And guess what? Providing data turns out to be way more doable. Now, you're probably wondering, how do we grab these opportunities with both hands? Well, hold tight, because we've got a roadmap to explore. Let's discuss strategy. About 5 years ago, there was a challenge how to turn numerous AI project ideas into reality. Andrew Ng, a British-American computer scientist, recognized the complexity of addressing diverse opportunities in big tech companies, spanning industries like shipping, education and finance, and healthcare. The solution: launching various companies became the answer. Andrew Ng created AI Fund, a venture studio focused on developing startups to explore these diverse AI opportunities. Established companies also benefit from integrating AI into their existing operations, especially if they had a solid distribution plan. Now let's explore the AI landscape. Think of it as an AI stack. At the foundation, there's the hardware and semiconductor layer. Lots of potential but a costly and competitive space. Moving up, there's the infrastructure layer, offering great opportunities but with its own challenges. Now, the developer tool layer is where things get exciting. It's hyper-competitive, with numerous startups pursuing innovation. Just like Andrew, utilize OpenAI's API as a developer tool. This sector is witnessing a surge in innovation. So there you have it, folks. The world of AI is like a vast treasure chest waiting for you to unlock its potential. From supervised idea to the exciting rise of generative AI, the possibilities are endless. But here's the burning question: what AI application or project do you find mostly fascinating? Is it the groundbreaking ones like Amazon's ad-serving algorithms, or the hidden gems in industries like agriculture and pizza making? We want to know your thoughts, so drop your answers in the comment section below. If you found this video as intriguing as we did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. We've got more mind-boggling insights and trends coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.